Want to convert your code into an image? You need to install the codeSnap extension in Visual Studio Code. Click Install. Then, select the code you want to copy, right-click, and choose codeSnap. Anything you select, it will apply directly. The extension uses your Visual Studio Code theme. To save it, click on this lens, and that's it. Do you struggle with having to rename each tag individually every time? Simply install the Auto Rename Tag extension in Visual Studio Code. Now, whenever you rename a tag, the corresponding opening-closing tag automatically adjusts its name to match the new tag. Server is one of the most commonly used extensions in Visual Studio Code. Click Install. Right-click, then open with Live Server. The browser will automatically refresh itself, allowing you to quickly see the changes. Live Preview extension provides a live rendering or preview on the side tab. Click Install. Right-click, then Show Preview. Now, you don't need to save or refresh every time to see the changes. Prettier Code Formatter is one of the most used extensions ever. Open the settings and search for Format. Enable the format on Save. Then, search for Default Formatter and choose Prettier. For example, I wrote this function in one line and I didn't put a semicolon at the end. It will put the semicolon automatically and drop me one line. Other example. Want this glassy modern effect for your Visual Studio Code? Search for Vibrancy extension. Install, then press F1 and choose Reload Vibrancy. Then, restart Visual Studio Code. More examples with different color themes. Indent-rainbow is one of the most used extensions that make your code more beautiful and easier to read. It does this by adding colors to the spaces or tabs in your code. Code Runner is one of the most popular extensions. Click Install. Right-click, then choose Run Code. Basically, it will allow you to quickly run code snippets.